In this video we will be looking at hyperlinking from a button in Excel. Hyperlinking from a button in Excel provides a user-friendly navigation system, enhancing accessibility and efficiency by allowing users to directly access relevant information or external resources with a single click. And no worries, creating the hyperlink is an easy task. Start by navigating to the Insert tab. In the Illustrations section, click on the Shapes option. Choose any shape for your button. After inserting the shape, bring up the Shapes menu and choose the Hyperlink option. Enter the hyperlink for the web page that you wish to open. Deselect the button and give it a try. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.